How to turn PDF into a flipbook. To turn your PDF into a flipbook, find the link of FLIPHTML5 in the description box below. Download it, install and follow suit. Double-click on the icon to launch FLIPHTML5 application. When the dialog box appears, you can import a PDF file or an image. You can manage online books, view amazing demo videos, audios, and build a flipbook app for Android. Click on Import File. From the Open dialog box, select PDF file and hit Open. When the dialog box appears, there are 3 modes, including flip mode, slide mode, and manual mode. The default is flip mode. Just leave it like that. You can import all pages or customize a range of pages. Leave it on all pages and hit the import button to import your PDF file to Flipbook. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. You can click on the thumbnail icon to see the thumbnail version of your pages, the share button to share your flipbook, and the play button to flip the pages automatically. Manually flip the pages using the left and right arrows. You can change the theme by navigating to the Themes button and double-clicking on the preferred theme. When a warning pops up, just hit OK to apply the selected theme. To publish your flipbook on the FLIPHTML5 website, click Publish button, and from the dialog box, click Sign Up. You can sign up with Facebook or email accounts. Enter your email account, enter a password, re-enter the same password. You then select I am not a robot and sign up. FLIPHTML5 will send a 6-digit verification code to your email account. Sometimes you may find the code in the spam folder, so watch out for that. If it is not in the inbox, enter it and hit Verify Account. Once the verification is successful, you'll receive a congratulatory message indicating that your account is activated. Click Create and the FLIPHTML5 website interface appears. Check out the prices. They have free, Pro, Platinum, and Enterprise versions based on your budget. Click Go to New Dashboard to see your dashboard. Upload your file by clicking on the Upload button and browse to the PDF file. Select it and hit Open to upload it. Manually flip the pages using the left and right arrows. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. Enter the title of the book, description, and keywords. Click Open to open the book link. Sorry guys, the network is not strong today. Anyway, thanks for watching.